Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we want to talk about some connections that we cannot customize it in CYPE 3D. For example, here, if I go to the joints, and if you look at this joint that I have here, okay, so I have actually another requirement for this type of joints. So I don't want to use this stiffener using this, let's say, extended plate here. So I want to directly connect this beam through the end plate to the web of the column. So inside 3D, so you cannot do it. So because you don't have option for this. So that's why I'm trying to send this model or this connection to CYPE Connect Steel, and I want to do it in that software. So let's do it. So for integrating the CYPE 3D structure or model to CYPE Connect Steel, first of all, you need to upload your model to BIM Server Center. So from here, so you can go to here and then you can go to the link. Okay, let me just unlink this to show you. You can go to the BIM Server Center and then you can go to the link. Okay, and from here you can select the project. So from here, either you can go to create a new project. For example, here you can name your project whatever you want. Okay, so I'm not going to create it, and then you can accept it, or you can go to select project from the BIM Server Center. So before selecting the project, so maybe you can go to BIM Server Center. So if I go to here, already I link this model to my BIM Server Center, but you can go to, for example, project. Okay, and from here you can create a project, new project. So here, for example, I can say that breach. Okay, and type of project, I can say that professional, for example, and visible to all users, not visible, and also the collaboration is closed, and then create the project. So now here I have the project, name as breach. Just let's do it and finish this. Okay, so right now I have this, and then I can go back to CYPE 3D, and from here I can select the project, and here I have the breach, and then accept. Okay, and then accept. So once I have this model, so also I need to go to consult. Let me just first go to share. So here I will say that breach to generate the IFC file format. So that's it. Okay, and then if I go to my BIM Server Center, so still here, if I refresh my page, still I don't have any model here. Let me click on this. Okay, so I don't have any model. I will go back to CYPE 3D, and then here let's go to consult. So I will check this option. I have the breach, accept. So now if I go back to my BIM Server Center and refresh my page, okay, so it takes a bit time. Okay, so now I just refresh, and then here the project is breach, and here I have the breach. So now we want to focus on this joint that I showed you previously. I want to connect this beam to the web of this column through the end plate. So what we can do, we can go to another solution. We call it CYPE Connect Steel. So let me open CYPE Connect Steel. So here I have CYPE Connect Steel. Okay, so here I have CYPE Connect Steel, and also I need to connect my software to BIM Server Center, as you can see here. So I will go to my BIM Server Center. Okay, and then connect. Okay, for creating this project, I will go to new, and here also I will say breach, accept, and here I will go to select the project from BIM Server Center. I have the breach project, accept. Okay, go to the next, and here I will check the option and then finish. Okay, as you can see here, I have the model, and if you want to see the model in a render view, also you can go to this option that you have here, view options, and from here I can see the 3D model. Okay, just like this. And we want to focus on this connection. If I click on this connection, so I have something like this, and then so I can go to edit this connection and create the connection both through the, let's say, end plate connection. So this beam will be connected to a flange of the column using end plate, and this beam will be connected to web of the column using the end plate. Okay, so and here also I have the reference for this connection. So first of all, I will go to edit the connection. I will click on this small icon here that I have. Okay, and also from here I need to position the beams correctly. So that's why I will go to, let me make it smaller. So here, okay, I will go to, sorry, here I need to close this, and then I need to go to this option. Okay, edit option, edit connection, and then click on this. So here I have this connection, and first I need to go to this beam, so which means from here also I can see the beams highlighted with the green color. So let's go to V1, this one. So and then from here I will make it, for example, here minus 140. Just let me check what I have from here. Okay, and a little bit more, maybe 160. Okay, I have this, and also I will come to here. Similarly here I will say minus 160, and then I have it. So it is for positioning the connection, and then I will accept it. Okay, so here I have also the effect, and then I will go to this option, which means edit the connection for assigning the operation. So I will click on this option, and here I have different operation. For example, I have reference plane, I have the plate, adjust section, trim section, end plate, trim plate, and so on and so forth. Let's go first focus on let's say member V2. So first of all, I want to go to adjust section. So I will go to click on this option, and here I have the adjust to section, and what section it is, P1. Okay, so sorry, V2 with P1. Okay, so I can adjust like this, and then I will go to end plate. So here I have the end plate operation. We'll go to end plate, and then here I have again V2 join to P1. Okay, so here I have the end plate, and from here you can change the end plate thickness or whatever actually you have. So here, for example, I will go to thickness of the plate for 16. Okay, and then here I have the top overhang, so maybe we can go for 10. Okay, and also for bottom overhang also I will go for 10. Okay, so right now I have something like this. Okay, and also maybe for left and right we can go for 10 and also 10. So now I have this. So the next thing, I need to bolt this member to this member. So I will go to the bolt option. So here I have the bolt option again. So the element B2, sorry, the plate should be welded to flange of the column. So I will select the plate. Okay, and then here I have this, and then bolt to section, which is the P1, and also the, let's say, bottom flange, and let's say top flange. Okay, so after doing this, so I will go to add the bolt. So right now I have one bolt here. Okay, and also you can go to view option from here. You can see the, for example, the sections in the transparent view just for better visualization. Okay, and then so I want to put the bolt, for example, here I can go for -50. Okay, and then here also I will go to minus, for example, 70. Just let me check. Okay, and then I will make a copy of this bolt. Okay, so here I will go to, for example, 70. Okay, and also I will make another 2 copies. So this one should be 50. Okay, I have it here, and another one also I will go to here 50 and -70. Okay, so I created this here, and another operation that I need to use is the welding between the beam and this end plate. So I will go back to viewpoint, and from here I will change this one. From here I have the weld operation. I will go to the weld, and I want to weld the V2, and it is the section. Okay, and then here I can say that top flange first, let's say, and then weld to this plate. I will select the plate, and from here I have this. Okay, so right now I have the welding here, and also I can make a copy of this operation. So I will go to make a copy of this operation here and change this one to bottom flange. Here I have the bottom flange, and also make another copy to have the weld on the web. Okay, so here also I have this. So this is done. So later I will go to work on V1. So now again, so I can make this copy from this operation, the previous operation that I had, and then I can create it. For example, here I can go to this operation. Okay, and let me first add one end plate. Okay, so which is this one, and here I will make a copy of this, change this one to V1. Okay, and then here I have this end plate. I will go to bolt. Okay, and then make a copy of this. Okay, and also I will change this one to here plate number 2 and P1 web. Okay, so here I have this, and a little bit I need to work with this joints. So here, for example, I can go to -30. Okay, and then here also -30. Okay, 30 and also 30. Okay, so I have this, and then after that I will go to the weld. Okay, and here I will make a copy of this. So this time is V1. Okay, to plate number 2. So here for this one, and again I will go to make a copy of this. So now I can simply copy this. Okay, so I can say bottom flange, so here, and another copy. So I will go to web 3. Okay, so I have this connection here, and then so I can accept this. So here you can see the connection in the real format, so you can go back to here, and instead of doing the, or let's say seeing in the 3D model, you can go to access, and then here you have this. Okay, so it is the connection that we created, and now we need to go to analysis as well. Okay, so once again I will go to let's say here to this option. Okay, so here I have the analysis module as well. I will go to analysis. Okay, so here I need to, let's say, check the load cases. As you can see here, I have two load cases. The load cases can be detected from a CYPE 3D model. So it is the, let's say, beauty of this integration. Okay, I can accept this. Okay, and if you go to also loads, here you can see load on the beam V1, which is here, and also V2, which is here under different load combination that you have. Okay, I will accept this, and then I will go to let's say run the analysis. But before running the analysis, okay, so let me accept this. Before running the analysis, you can go to here this option, which is the code, and you can select the code. For example, here I can select the BS5950 part 1 and then accept. Okay, so let's go back to here, and then I have the analysis. Okay, and here again I have the load cases and load combination that is from CYPE 3D. In CYPE 3D actually I use the Eurocode. That's why here I have the load combination for Eurocode. As you can see here I have 1.35 self weight plus 1 dead load, and here I have the, let's say, 13.5 self weight, 13.35 dead load, and 1.5 live load. Okay, so it is according to Eurocode. But if you want to change let's say this load combination by yourself, so you can change it from here very easily. Okay, let's go to analysis. So it depends on the magnitude of load that you have, and also the section sizes that you have. So the software go through the iteration, because this software is finite element analysis based solution, and that's why. So it depends on the geometry of the connection that we have. It may take some time. So after running the analysis here, so you have the information in terms of finite element analysis. So first of all, you have the utilization ratio of the components. For example, here for the column, so utilization ratio is between 20% to 40%, with shown with blue color. For this bolts, also you can see the different colors, and then here you have different colors. So here you have the legend for the utilization ratio, and also you can go to check different options. For example, the stresses. Okay, so you can see the stress on the member, and also you can go to check the strain as well as deformation, okay, or displacement. And here also you can go to a scale option to scale up the deformation. For example, I can go to 10 to see the deform shape of the member or connection, as you can see here. Okay, and here at the right hand side, so you have the all necessary information. So first of all, you have the information for load combinations. Okay, and also you have the demand capacity ratio or utilization ratio here, and then you have the overall check of all the component, top flange, bottom flange, web, top flange, bolt, and also weld. And here you have the, let's say, step-by-step calculation report for each of them as well. Here you have the calculation report. Okay, so let me go to here, for example, and here you have all the calculation reports here. And if you want to see the report in the summarized way and also in the detail, manner. So you can go to summary. Here you can check the option that you want to see, for example, connection components, load, check, and notes. So let's see what we can see here. So I can give or I can get this kind of information. So it is the very summarized report. But if you want to have the a step-by-step calculation report, so you can go to the check option. From here I will click on this, and here I have the step-by-step calculation report for all the components. Okay, so here you have all the equations. And also in terms of checking the result or finite element result, so you can see the let's say deformation or stresses and also strain of the connection under different load combination that you have. Okay, so it is the thing that you can get from this software. And also I need to tell you that the CYPE Connect Steel is the only finite element analysis based solution that can design the connection according to BS code. So it is another advantage of CYPE Connect Steel. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and please leave your comment at below of this video if you have any concern, any questions, so we will come back to you soon. Have a great day and stay safe.